Hello friends, welcome to a fresh new episode of our channel RG Innovations. If you have not subscribed already, please subscribe to our channel, click on the bell button and select all to get all future notifications of our video uploads. In today's video, I am going to show how to build a light and dark operated relay in the same circuit. The same circuit will sense darkness and lightness. I have given the circuit diagram and the component list at the end of the video, so please watch the video till the end and I promise this will be fun. These are the components. I will build the circuit on a breadboard. I am showing it in fast forward mode to save you time. This preset will be used to adjust the sensitivity. I have connected header pins with the switch so that it can be used on a breadboard. You can see on both sides I have used header pins. I have used a blue colored LED. You can use any colored LED of your choice. This is a 12 volt relay. If you are building the circuit for lower voltage, you can use a lower voltage relay of 5 volt. I am not connecting the relay right now. I'll test with the relay later. I have given the circuit diagram at the end, so not discussing much about the circuit diagram. It's very simple to build. Although it looks a little complicated on a breadboard, but the circuit is really simple and very easy to build. You can build it on a Vero board or you can build a PCB for this, but for the ease of making, I have built it on a breadboard. The circuit is complete now. I will now give the power supply of 12 volts. So this is the positive power supply and this is the negative power supply. Initially it is in the light sensing mode. So the light is falling on LDR, the LED is glowing, and when there is darkness, the LED turns off. Now we are changing it to dark sensing mode. The preset needs to be adjusted a little. Now, whenever it senses dark, the light glows. Now we will connect the relay with it so that we can use it with higher voltage lights or higher voltage devices. We need to connect a diode in parallel with the relay. And now we have connected the relay. So whenever the light is on, the relay turns on, and whenever the light turns off, the relay also turns off. So this is today's project, dark sensing and light sensing relay in a single device. You can make it very easily, and if you have any question, please feel free to ask in the comments. Up to this in today's video. In my next video, I will come with some new topic. If you like my video, please hit the like button. And if you have not already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel RG Innovations. And if you find the project useful, please share it with your friends. So bye bye for now. We will meet again with a new video. Till then, have a nice time. Take care. Thank you for watching.